Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had 2 directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Looking at SPY on the daily and weekly time frame, so a gap up open to all-time highs, continuation, and a strong close over the upper Bollinger Band to be in full-on blue sky breakout mode. 236.35 is that level. We have to update it at the open tomorrow as it's going to continue to be a level that comes into play. Don't have much else to be looking at in terms of resistance, so Bollinger Bands are where it is at. The weekly upper Bollinger Band, 238.78, a ways away. Bulls with extreme continuation now. This is the 5th green week in a row. Obviously, we have 3 trading days left to go, but there is still no slowdown. Look at how many times in the past 2 weeks we have closed right around the high of the day and seen continuation. So we're seeing that again. On the 5-minute time frame, we saw a little bit of weakness in SPY this afternoon, and we saw a very strong start. Bulls were in control out of the gate, holding the 20-period 5-minute moving average, seeing nice continuation, higher lows and higher highs. We did break the higher low pattern by breaking 236.31. That was a bit of a red flag. We saw some significant pullback. And you look at this 5-minute chart, and in that period, you're saying, uh-oh, the bears are taking over. But it's all about looking at different perspectives, zooming out, and getting a complete picture of things. And if you looked at the hourly time frame while that was occurring, you're saying, oh, that's not a big deal at all. We're backtesting exponential moving average support, and we're holding it candlestick after candlestick throughout the entire day. So not only was that 5-minute pullback not a big deal at all, but we never lost any of the moving average support, including exponential, on the hourly time frame. So this hourly time frame was a nice guide to let us know that the bulls were still in full control, even though that 5-minute consolidation was going on. So that's what we're looking at as we head into tomorrow. Still no sign of the bears. We have the technology sector and the financial sector still holding on very strong. QQQ hitting all-time highs for the 10th day in a row or something absurd. That's being driven by the technology sector. Technology sector is on its 13th green day in a row or something else absurd. What we know is consolidation is coming, but we're not going to try and time the top. We're going to play bullish as long as the market and the charts tell us to play bullish. And as of right now, that's what they're telling us. So if we see a bearish reversal candlestick on the daily time frame, we can start looking in the opposite direction. But until that happens, the bulls are running the show. Thanks for watching. We'll check back in tomorrow.